Fetch AI is attempting another breakout to the upside after continuing to hold within our key area of support between the 1.213 and the $1.047. And at the time of this recording, we are also attempting a break above resistance at the 1.162 and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest. Then I will be expecting higher prices in a move that can easily get us back above the $1.5. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, give you key areas of support that we need to continue holding, and above all, give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video here on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw this massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice recovery to the upside where we first peaked in a negative count 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in a negative count 2 before we finally saw another bounce to the upside in a negative count 3 in a move that gave us a high above the 1.479. And after we picked in this negative count 3, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in a negative count 4, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And you can all see that we have now fully maximized the target area, and there's a high chance that we have a low in place for the second wave, that is for the fourth wave, and there's a high chance that in the next coming hours we are going to continue seeing higher prices in a negative count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that negative count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that negative count 3, giving me the first target area at the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 1.614, and a break above that and break above other key areas of resistances. Then we can easily maximize the fib level 1.618 that lies above the 1.836 in the next coming hours or maybe days. We also need to have in mind that since we have not managed to break above resistance at the 1.162, there's a chance that we can easily get rejected over here. And if that is the case, then I will be watching for a bit of a short-term pullback in a move that should continue holding within this blue target area before we can finally see another reversal to the upside, breaking through resistances and also fully maximize our minimum target areas in that negative count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term. And jumping to the daily chart to also give you my long-term price prediction analysis. On the daily chart, I'm still bullish on Fetch AI, where I believe that we have peaked in a negative count 1 from the lows that we made last year, that is around September. And after we peaked in this negative count 1, we saw a bit of a breakdown move in a negative count 2 into the minimum pullback target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And we now have a low in place for the second wave, and there's a high chance that in the next coming weeks we can easily start an impulsive move to the upside, taking us to new all-time highs in a negative count 3 in a move that I believe will easily hit the $6 in the next coming months, and that will be a perfect 6x to the upside based on the current prices that we have at the moment. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in a negative count 4 before we can finally peak in that bull market in a negative count 5 in a move that can easily get us above the $10. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.